welcome back to our channel. It's Arushi here.
And it's Ishta here.
Let's get started. So today we're gonna be unboxing this kit. It's a Castle Tractor sand kit. My mom gave it to me as a surprise. And yeah, we're gonna be unboxing it. So I'm so excited.
So I'll open these.
Wait, no, first we have to remove the tape. So, okay, I'm gonna remove the tape now. Isha, let's remove the tape.
Okay.
No, we'll remove the other side.
Okay. And how? It's so hard.
Okay, I'm done.
I can do it.
Okay, so we're removing the tape now, as you can see. Okay, now. Okay. We're opening it now.
Oh, this is wallet.
It comes. Wait. It comes with so much stuff. I think it even comes with stickers, guys. I'm so excited.
Oh, look at these builders.
Oh, yeah, it comes with builders and like shovel and stuff. Oh, it comes with like castles and some vehicles. Some cars.
Oh, cool.
Oh, stickers
And
like
that's
random
sand.
stuff. Oh, and the main stuff, sand. So first, let's open this stuff. I'm gonna start with the vehicles. What are you gonna open?
I'll open this.
Okay, just use the scissors to open it. Okay, so there's this car. And then there's like this Hot Wheels, I think. Not Hot Wheels, but this thing. And then there's... Oh, it's like a back of a choo-choo train. If you can see. And then I thought it came with the choo-choo train. Oh yeah, here it is. This is a choo-choo train. Choo-choo, choo-choo. And then it comes with this truck. So let's get it out of here.
Here's that builder.
Let's
The builders out.
Oh, nice! So it comes with this shovel.
And it comes.
Oh, so this builder has a hammer.
And this builder.
This builder has like this digging thingy. I don't know what it is. Oh, this builder has a shovel. Another one with a hammer. This axe thing. What's this? I don't know what this. Oh, I think this builder, you put this in like this, like.
Hey, what is this?
I think like that.
Oh, I think that's just.
Oh, I think that's this builder is for. Where did it go? This builder. So it holds this like. I'm trying to put this in.
So
I think
next.
it's for. Okay, so let's open this. Oh my gosh, it comes with like these houses. Oh, it comes with a pyramid, a castle, and stuff. Oh my gosh, open it. Wait, let me help you. Now open it.
Here it is. Check it out.
Also, like it comes with this pyramid. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Oh,
So like you can just get this
Hey,
in.
look,
put this
there's
in
also
there.
some stairs.
Oh, like a spiral kind of castle thingy.
Oh, and there's also this.
Oh, and like this is a brick wall. You can just get the sand, like make it on 4 sides and stuff, and like stuff. Oh, this looks so cool. Let's open it. First let's empty out all of this.
And there's also this.
Okay. Oh, it also comes with stickers. Oh my gosh. She loves stickers. Like it comes with these stickers. Like, yeah. So let's see what there is, I guess.
Oh, a tree.
So there's this thing. Oh, there's a stop sign. There's this thing again. And I have no idea what this is. I forgot what they're called. Oh, it comes with cones. That's so cool.
Hey, look, it also comes with these.
Oh, this thing. Like, I forgot what those are there's a bunch of, well, there's 2 trees. So now let's put these stickers on.
I'm gonna do the tree.
Wait. Oh, how about you open the sand? Open it. Open the sand.
Okay.
Well, I just put these stickers on. No, don't open it on there. Open it like in here somehow. Okay, guys, I'm putting this. I have no idea. Like, I do not know. It's probably gonna come out very messy. Okay, so I'm putting this one now. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, now you can play. It's so mushy and squishy and icky. Ew.
I should do this.
Wait, no, don't put it inside. That's not for that. Wait, I'm gonna label the stickers. You can play with the ones that they don't need to be labeled yet. Okay, so I guess it doesn't come with enough of those. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to because I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these on. Oh no.
Squish.
So fun.
Now I'm
Play with it.
corn.
A corn? What do you mean a corn?
Oh, look at it.
Oh, nice. She made a cone. I also want to make a cone. Okay, so I guess I'm going to use a shovel. A mini shovel. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's put some in here. So fun to play with.
This.
And I need that other tool. Oh yeah, this too. Wait, why did I get it? I need a shovel. Okay.
Get some more stuff.
Okay.
Some more
I need to
sand.
put some more in here. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Oh.
And now let's
I can't pick this up. You know, there's even like another extra thing. So that's really good. Okay, so we love this sand. It's so like fun and soft and it's so fun. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and thank you for watching and